Hi everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. In today's card making project, I will be doing these three colorful and beautiful cards which I made it in layers. So I'll be showing you this three cards, and then I have used stamps, colored it, and some of them I used stickers, and those things are all used in this process. And you can use any pattern paper if you like, and you can go with it. So let's have fun doing this project. So now for the first project, I'm using black cardstock, a pattern paper, and the plain purple color cardstock I'm using. And for that I'm using A2 size cardstock as a base card. This is the base card I'll be using, and then let's start cutting those in layers. The first layer I will be using will be 5¼ by 4 inch, and the inner layer will be the plain black purple color, will be 4 inch by 2¼ and the white cardstock which I'll be using in the innermost layer will be 3¼ by 2 inches. So the black cardstock will be always 1/4 inch smaller. Now I have stamped these beautiful flowers and colored it, and now I'm going to stick on the card. Now I'm using these gemstones and sticking it in the center of the flower. And I'm going to stamp the sentiment. I'm going to stick everything together and then finishing off with the sequence. So this finishes my first card. Now for the second card, I'm using this beautiful pattern paper and the plain cardstock along with that. So I'm cutting the size as 5¼ by 4 inch, and then the inner layer will be like 4½ by 3 inch, and the innermost layer will be like 3¾ by 2½ inches. So I'm going to cut all those things, and then I'm going to adhere it using the double-sided tape. Now that everything is ready, I'm going to use for the leftover small strip of pattern paper for the inner side of the card. And now I'm using this sticker which I got it from Dollar Tree. I'm going to stick that in the center of the card. And I'm sticking the sentiment. And finishing off putting the sequins. So this finishes my second card. For the third card, I'm using the pattern paper, and then I'm going to use this painted paper. I used the die cut to cut all these together. Then I'm going to adhere it using the double-sided tape. Now I'm putting all the things together. Now for the focal point, I'm using this butterfly. Then I am also adding a small bird. Then I realized that it is too blank in the background, so I'm adding some of these leaves. So I'm going to stamp the sentiment. I'm going to adhere it on the card. Now I'm going to add some sequins. So this finishes my third card. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please subscribe, click on the bell button, and don't forget to turn the notification on. I will see you in my next project. Have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.